Hey there, fellow piper. It's Rick, and hoping this video finds you well. Today I'm feeling wanted to taste some aromatic blend, and I have this Molto Dolce from Sutliff. I bought Knockout Punch. Knockout, I believe, was the name of a comparison. Did you buy two for to compare? It's CAO's Moontrance and this guy. I'm opening this one first. Moontrance is one of my favorites. The voice, sorry. And been letting this sit for almost a year, I think. I bought another one. Actually, I bought two sets because I like Moontrance, and sometimes it's quite hard to find it. The first tin I opened, it was, I don't know, probably right after I got it, and it was too moist. I didn't like the taste of this tobacco that much. For whatever reason, my dad loved it, but so I decided to let the second tin sit for a while, and yeah, maybe it would mature a bit. So let's see how this one turns out. Do you really need instructions on how to open a tin? Step number 1, step number 2. They forgot step number 3. Let's hear it. Oh boy. Tin note is good. I know you cannot smell it there, but betting you can see the texture. Supposed to be vanilla, caramel, and honey, and looks like it needs a ton of drying time. It feels very wet, sticky. There. Going to let some dry and for, I don't know, maybe 5-10 minutes, and I'll come back. Hey there, fellow piper. Hello again. Finally, thanks be to God. As you can see, it's a different setup from previous recording. It's also 2 days after. Soon as after I filled the bowl and started the pipe, I had to, family issues, and then yesterday again try to do my follow-up, and again family, well, not family, but stuff that I had to do inside the house. So, but here I am, thanks be to God. Molto Dolce. It's a black Cavendish, Virginias, and Burley with a topping of vanilla, caramel, and honey. Yeah, the room note is superb. It's really appealing. This little room I left again, because actually this is my fourth bowl, and it's good. You have to let it dry for 20-30 minutes. It's at least for me way too humid. As a matter of fact, when you're pouring taking it out of the can. I've already tinned it. This can is cardboard, and the lid won't hold the humidity. You don't want to let it, over dry, of course. So I put it in a small ball jar. But yeah, again, just for letting it sit there and in open air and dry, the room note is like if I had a air freshener or something. When you smoke it, it'll leave a rather brownish, maybe you can notice a brownish tone on the ash. All the sugar and honey, I guess, caramel. Burns nice and slow. Without that humidity, there's barely any tongue bite. Of course, not to freight train it. And it's enjoyable. I like it. I was afraid other Burley, Black Cavendish, Virginia's blends that I have tried in the aromatic side, they leave kind of a yucky aftertaste after smoking a pipe, but this one hasn't done that. It has improved. I remember the first time that I tried this about a year ago around this time. I was with my dad and I opened the tin so that both of us could enjoy this blend. I did let it rest and dry for probably 5 to 10 minutes. I did not enjoy it as much as I'm enjoying it at this moment. So maybe that, letting it sit there in my cellar for over a year or so has helped and improved the taste. My dad loved it right away, and he alone finished the tin. I didn't had it again. I didn't try it again until recently, 2 days ago today. So yeah, it's a really good one. And this is the other one that came with Moon Trends. I will be, sort of give it a because I bought that tin because of this guy. I'll share a video on why I caught up with the CAO flavoring tobaccos. But this is one of my favorites, aromatics. And just to give it a fair trial and a fair comparison, they were both purchased at around the same time, so they have been both sitting in my cellar for the same time. Yeah, give it a nice hand-to-hand comparison, head-to-head. Well, my dear fellow piper, I appreciate you sharing this video with me until the end. I don't know, have you tried this one before? I'd like to know what you think of it. So yeah, bye for now, and God bless. Until the next one, cheers and happy smokes. Bye for now.